Do eggs really cause cancer? The truth everybody gets wrong? Nutrition will explain. You've all probably seen headlines saying that eggs cause cancer or eating more eggs would cause you 19% more chances of having cancer. But as a nutritionist and a biohacker, I would tell you this is a little misleading, incomplete, and often taken out of scientific context. Today, I'll break down what research actually says, what it doesn't say, and how should you take this research. For those who are new here, I study nutrition-based science, human metabolism, and biohacking, which will help you to get better. I don't follow food trends. I follow pure nutrition-based research papers. Is there a chemical in eggs that cause cancer? Let me be clear and upfront. There are no research papers which shows direct association of eggs causing cancer in humans. What does exist is observational studies which shows association, not direct cause. Some large observational studies and meta-analysis say that high consumption of eggs might lead to association with certain cancers. Again, association doesn't mean cause. For example, people who eat more eggs might also eat more processed food, might also not exercise enough, might also have a diet which has less vegetables in it, and other factors. The studies which are done cannot control these factors, so the results are again deceptive. The suspected chemical people talk about. Let's break it down. Eggs are rich in choline, which is an essential nutrient for your brain and for your liver. Now, when some bacteria convert this choline into a chemical called TMAO, but TMAO is connected to inflammation, but not directly to cancer. Also, your gut microbiome, your genetics, and your current diet heavily influences this pathway. When eggs are fried at a very high temperature, it releases certain compounds, which are associated with inflammation. However, these compounds are not only found in eggs. These compounds are found in other foods as well. That's the reason I say that eggs are not directly associated with cancer. Environmental contamination. Sometimes eggs might contain heavy metals or pesticides, but these are depending upon how the eggs are bred. That means the feeding, the environment in which they are bred, and also how are they actually fed. These are not naturally found compounds in eggs, and in the regulatory system of food, the content are very mild, so it doesn't really bother in terms of cancer. Why headlines get it wrong? Because media loves fear, because fear gets clicks. Saying eggs causes cancer is simpler than saying that in certain population, excessive egg eating is mildly associated with certain cancers. But science is evidence-based, not emotional. As a biohacker, I don't ask whether this food is good or bad. Instead, what I ask is, how is it going to affect my gut, my metabolism, my inflammatory markers, and my overall dietary requirement? Eggs are one of the most nutrition-dense food on this planet. High in protein, vitamins, minerals, and also will help you to recover better. For most healthy individuals, moderate consumption of eggs is beneficial. So let's summarize like an expert and not like a headline. No chemical in egg is been proven to cause cancer. Observational studies have shown weak link with cancer, and also context, quality, and cooking style would be another factor which would be bothering the link between cancer and egg. Eggs can absolutely be a part of a healthy diet, performance-based diet. Nutrition is not about demonizing food. It's about understanding the biology and the effect of food on humans. If you found this breakdown useful, like and share the video with someone who is confused about eggs and its relation with cancer. And now comment below how many eggs do you have every day.